Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to make no one can mention you in their videos and stories on your accounts on TikTok, easy and quick. First click on your profile, click on this three lines here. Now click settings and privacy, and now click privacy. Now you'll find here mentions and tags, click on it. Now click mentions, and now just click no one, and you're gonna make no one can mention you in their videos, in their comments and stories, easy and quick. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.